See?
Okay, here's growing the red banana.
So red banana is always red.
Oh, I see.
Doesn't
Up
change
there.
the color even after getting ripe.
Okay.
Then there is where you find the elephant tusky banana on the other side. You see the big one?
Which one? Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I
that's
see it. It's a small tree, but
Yeah.
a big banana.
Yeah.
That's the elephant tusk banana.
Yeah.
Looks like to me eating banana. Is that one the matunda fruit?
Matunda. Down this side. Okay, so I'm going to explain about bananas. So banana is one of the leading crop here in the village. Then rice is the second one. We grow a lot of bananas. We have acres and acres of bananas. And our bananas is for export as well, but mostly to the near countries like Kenya, because Kenya are not banana farmers. Because big part of Kenya is very dry.
We saw that flying over.
Yeah, so
Desert.
they depend on us, but never to Uganda, because Uganda also tend to have a lot of bananas. They grow
Yes.
bananas the way we do. So in Tanzania generally we tend to have 32 different species of bananas. It's a lot. But in the village, in Mto Ambu village or Mosquitoes River village, we tend to grow half of them. So we have 16 different species of banana. So we have 15 different species of green banana and one species of red banana, making them 16 in total. And we can categorize them according to the uses. We tend to have like a banana for cooking, for making beer, for soup, but also for using as a fruit. But also you can differentiate one banana to another through considering color, size, shape, and the taste. Are you there?
Yes.
Then in growing bananas, we don't use seeds. Have you ever seen the black spots inside the banana fruit at the
Yes.
middle? So those are seeds of banana. But if you use them in growing bananas, always taking long time to grow, but also involving some laboratory processes. So it's more complicating to these poor farmers here. So instead, these guys normally taking the baby bananas
Ah,
like
yes,
this.
yes.
Yeah, so you
Baby
take
bananas.
baby bananas, you take it with the roots, then you dig a hole like half a meter, then you put the poo from the cow as a manure. Then you'll be watering for 2 weeks in a row consecutively. Then until you make until you make sure that the roots are attached to the ground. You understand?
Yes.
But also for the green bananas, from planting to harvesting, always taking 9 months, like a human baby, just 9 months. But for the red banana takes 14 months from planting to harvesting.
Like an elephant.
Yeah, elephant is more than that.
Elephant baby.
Elephant baby is
2 years.
2 years, 24 months.
Wow.
Yes, but for the bananas to have the flower, it always taking 5 months for the green bananas. 5 months is where I find them with the big flowers. You can see the one there. That's a big one. That's how it starts. You
This
see it?
one here.
Uh-huh.
They're little.
Uh,
So that's the start of the banana flower.
uh-huh. Then
Yes.
the flower is always having what we call petals. So these
Petals.
petals will be
Oh.
opening and exposing the baby bananas.
Baby bananas.
So these are baby bananas,
Yes.
and each layer you
Has
open.
baby bananas.
Uh-huh. Each layer you open, you find them.
Fantastic.
Uh-huh. All these are baby bananas.
Yes. Okay.
And at the beginning, they're always facing down, as you can see,
Yes.
facing down. But because they contain a green pigment, so they need sunlight for making own food through photosynthesis process. So that's the reason why they change the direction facing the sun.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Look at that one.
Ah, yes. So this one is changing the direction
Yeah.
to get the sun
Yeah.
for the photosynthesis.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Um,
Oh, zooming in. Where is that?
How old is this rose here? When
There we
did they
go.
start growing bananas?
So they started
I
going
think many
down,
years
and
ago.
then they start coming
And it
up.
just
Be like that one, where they're all going up.
Very true. So after it has produced a lot of bananas, the flower always start producing these weak bananas. So these one are not going to be like that.
Yes.
Because now a lot of nutrients is getting to the adult bananas, not to the flower anymore. So that's why now you see a gap between the banana and the flower.
And see all the bananas up above taking the energy, and the flower down below still has its baby bananas, but it just hangs down and doesn't get any energy.
Wherever you see the big gap between the banana and the flower, you have to cut it just to make sure that all the nutrients now is getting to the banana fruit, not going to the flower anymore.
So someone goes around through the plantation
Yeah.
and cuts off all the flowers
Yeah,
and
chop it.
only leaves the banana. Okay?
Then we tend to harvest the banana while they are still green. We don't wait for them to turn yellow in the farm because we have seen the national park behind.
Yes.
So it's very close to the village, and we tend to have a lot of monkeys, particularly baboons, blue monkey, but also the velvet monkey or black-faced monkey. So for the baboons, these guys are very dangerous to the banana and the fruit as well around this area, because these guys are able to differentiate colors. They have color vision.
Oh, wow.
So they know the ripe banana. Wherever they find that the banana is turning yellow, they know it's ready for the use.
Oh.
So you have to cut it before, so that to escape these guys. They can harvest before you do.
Very smart.
Yeah, very smart. But also it's easier to transport the banana while they're still green, because whenever they turn yellow, they'll be falling down. That is not really good.
They turn black and
so it's
get
easier
a
for
bruise.
transportation, but also to avoid these poor
Bruises.
baboons. We normally cutting at the middle.
You cut the tree off.
Yeah, we cut the first of all, banana is not a tree. Banana, you can call it a plant or grass. It's a giant grass.
Giant grass.
It is made up by fibers, no wood,
Okay.
just fibers. So that's why we don't consider it as a tree.
Okay.
It's more
I
like
didn't know.
a grass, just made up by fibers. The whole portion is just made up by fibers. See? No wood.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So we normally cutting at the middle like this, just to make sure that all the water and the nutrients from the mother is going to the babies.
And here is a big baby.
Yeah, because if you transplant the banana, it's always taking some few months to have the babies around.
Yes.
So if you harvest the mother, there will be a baby to replace the mother. And
Yes.
for the banana, it's a single harvestation. After it has produced the bunch like that, then it's done. It's over.
Yeah.
No more production of the bananas.
That grass is finished.
It's finished.
Got
Yeah, so you have to cut it at the middle so as to make sure that all the nutrients and the water from the mother is going to the babies through roots, because they tend to share the same roots.
Yes. Yes.
Then you can see it's one of the plant having a lot of water. Have a look. See?
Yes.
All these
Oh my
are the
goodness.
water, and all this has to go to the babies.
All that water.
Yeah.
And going to the baby. So much to learn.
Yeah, so after all this water has gone to the babies, and this giant grass already dry is where we cut it at the bottom. Then for the bags is where we use it as a roofing materials for the local houses. But also
Yes.
some people tend to make some pictures. You can
Yes.
make like a picture of the zebra, lion, elephant through this.
You can draw on that as a canvas.
They're normally joining these colors, then making something. So we're gonna find it in the last stop that I told you.
Yes.
The pictures. So there you're gonna understand well.
Okay.
Then sometimes you tend to make lunch boxes from these bags. The banana ring as well at the market, you have seen it.
Yes.
It is made up from these. Down here also we tend to leave these stuffs. It's not like a trash. This is for covering the ground from the loss of moisture, but also wherever they decompose, they add manure to the soil.
Of course.
So we live a banana life. Everything is through banana. We make the soup, we use it as a fruit. You can fry it. You can also make a banana beer. Yeah, so
and art and lunch boxes.
lunch boxes,
So many things.
But also during the rain season, you can find people cutting the leaves of the bananas. You can see they are very
Yes,
broad and
yes.
they are waterproof. So you just cut it, then you use it as an umbrella. But also when it's too sunny, then you can just cut it.
Also something.
Umbrella.
Umbrellas.
Sonnenschirm.
Yeah, everything. Banana life. And sometimes some of the people call the village a banana village. Famously
okay.
known as the Mosquitoes River Village, or Mtoambu. That's a famous name.
Mtoambu.
But most of the people also call it as a banana village because we live banana life.
So-
We use everything.
Ndizi nchi.
Ndizi, kijiji cha ndizi. Kijiji is a village.
Kijiji.
Yes.
Kijiji ndizi.
Then ndizi, kijiji cha ndizi. You understand?
Kijiji
Cha ndizi.
Cha ndizi.
Yeah, bananas
Yes,
village.
I get it.
Uh-huh.
Village of bananas.
Yeah.
Water, and they flood it 2 times a week. So this was the banana plantation. Somala ndizi.
Shamba la ndizi.
How many people are working in the plantation like this?
Mostly farming. Farming that depends on the number of farming. Yeah, because job technology is farming. Yeah. But rice, the one that needs to be labor.
Irrigating right now, that's why there was some water in that channel, and these are wet. Here is the leaves being used, banana leaves, as a fence, to make a fence.